Do you ever just sometimes feel like, what am I doing with my life?
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo.
Hi guys, welcome back to Locked In with Ty, your ultimate destination for all things locks, lifestyle, and wellness. And you know it's Monday, so it's Mental Check Monday, and I'm just checking in on you guys. Feel free to comment and let me know how you're doing, because this is a safe space for us to communicate, because I care about you and I love you and I want you to have mental clarity. So it is Mental Check Monday, guys, and I low-key have like a cold or something, and I'm like, how and why? Like, so I'm kind of annoyed this Monday, and I really don't have the energy to do anything, but we're gonna try to make the best of it. And anyways, physically, I am not okay. Mentally, I'm like in between. Um, like I said, I just feel like annoyed a little bit, and I definitely didn't wake up feeling like how I normally do in the mornings. Like normally I'm excited and happy and just ready to take on the world. But today I'm just like, do I have to get out of bed? My throat is like, just want to rip it. Rip it. My throat is like not okay. It feels much better than it has yesterday. Like last night was horrible. Last night, I'm pretty sure I had a fever, and my throat, it just like, I kept coughing. I'm just like, what the hell? Like, what is going on? I never get sick, guys. Like, this is crazy. But I know that my body is working. I know that it's healing itself. So I'm just gonna allow it to do that and try to get some things done along the way. I don't know. Like, do you ever just sometimes feel like, what am I doing with my life? Like, what? It's like everybody expects you to be doing this or doing something or having this and that. Like, for example, being married or having kids or whatever. It's like everybody has all these expectations, and then when you are not living up to them, it's like you feel like you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. But I just want to say, forget everybody else's expectations and create your own, have your own expectations, your own goals, your own dreams, and just continue to work on that every single day. And great things will happen. Just like I always say, just be consistent, be persistent, and pop your I'm always saying that lately. I don't know why, but yeah, like, because sometimes I be feeling like I should have way more by now. I should be doing this. I should be traveling. I should have this much saved. I should be married. I should be. But is that because that's what I truly want? Or is that because what I saw on Instagram? Or is that because what somebody told me I wanted? Like, think really deep about what you say, first of all, and what you want, and make sure it's rooted in your own beliefs and your own wants and not anyone else's, because that will have you depressed and leave you miserable and have you questioning your existence. So that's all I have for today, I think. Thanks for watching.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.